jukebox generation. Just as you were. The voice up on the stage is the heart inside a cage, and it's singing like a bluebird in the round. There's mystery in this wood, and ghosts within these woods that are tangled deep beneath this southern ground. I've been going through life making foolish plans. Now my world is in your tickets to the game. It'd be great if I could take you to it this Sunday, and I'll walk you home when the whole thing's done. If you're there, I don't even care which team won. We can stop at the coffee shop and make fun of the cops in the parking lot, and we can laugh as we both pretend that we're not in love and that we're just good friends. Well, I'm tired of pretending, but I'm terrified of it ending. I know it now with you. There's nothing I can do to ever let it end. And I know you feel the same way, 'cause you told me drunk on your birthday, and as you pulled me near,